fallen off already. Just handling them, they all fall off. I can't paint them like this. Those caps, because it's a different kind of plastic, they don't want to stay to this. They don't want to stay to it whatsoever. Look at it. Unbelievable. I wanted to paint my wheels. I taped these because they won't stay. Every one of those rings fell off. Just shaking it. Oh. These are for the blue one. Those are for the rusty one. But for the blue one here, I don't have any flat black. So you paint these and they come out really shiny. But I don't want really shiny mud flaps. So you wait for it to dry, then you mist it at a distance, like real far away with the black, just mist it. And it leaves it like that, like an overspray. Overspray look. Makes it look like mud flaps, like rubber. I always be really perfectly smooth, shiny black. I'm like, nah, that's not what I want. A lot of tricks you can learn. No, my channel had to get deleted, you know. I had a lot of that stuff. Here's my rear fenders. These I gotta repaint. Oh, of course, you're not gonna be able to focus on nothing. Both got that weird look to it in the front. This guy have a second coat. See, here's my manifolds for that thing. And then you got the silver for the, I think it's the water cooler lines or something. But they're on the same hook. There's all my engine parts. The rest of my engine parts for it. Had to paint all gold. It's the same gold as that actually too. Put it up here so you can see just the parts. Yeah, every one of those were just welded back to a sprue so I can paint them. And if you notice, they're welded to a spot where you're not going to see it, like, I don't know how you can say it, but where it's glued together. Of course, I gotta focus, you know. Oh well. The wheels from the Revels, the snap together kits that everybody loves so much, they're not deep enough. They're like just totally flat compared to what a real semi-truck wheel would be. So I welded some rings to the outsides of it. Oh, excuse me. And painted them aluminum or whatever. That'll be going on there. Front tires are a little bit smaller. A little bit lower, as you see. And you can't turn the camera off. I could put it over and over and over and over, and you can't pause it because my finger's touching the screen somewhere.